Hey there, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to repair an old office chair. Do you guys have something like this as the arm of your office chair? Look at this thing. This has definitely seen better days. My office got rid of a whole bunch of chairs. Why? Because they had arms like this. They don't realize, I guess, that it's a quick and easy fix. I got this office chair here, and it was in very good condition other than the arms. The arms were the only thing wrong with it, and I've been dealing with it for a couple years now, just like, well, I guess I taped it up and it got worse, and it's just finally, I had enough of it, so I went on Amazon. I thought, man, it must be just, you can just replace these arms, and you sure can. You can buy them right on Amazon. They're, 15, 20 bucks. You can get all different kinds and styles. Mostly they're in the same range. You want to check the underside of your chair. Make sure it shows that they're 4 inches apart or whatever matches the inch apart on your mount. Sometimes they'll have multiple. Sometimes you'll get actually a couple in one, where it'll give you 2 choices. Mine actually does have 2 choices here. It has 4 inches and then 5 or 5.5 inches. It's very simple to change. All I needed, you may need a flathead too, so you may need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the key for me was an Allen key, or an Allen wrench. I actually had bolts that needed an Allen wrench that are on the original chair, and my new ones are just a Phillips head screw, so it may be different, so you may need more than one tool for the job. So the first thing we do is we flip the chair over. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is just simply take your Allen key or whatever tool will get underneath there. Whatever tool will let you turn the screw that's in there, pop it off, put the new one on. It's very simple. There's a couple steps you can take to make it easier. For instance, when you're unscrewing or screwing in, if you have a longer screwdriver or it's a little harder, sometimes you can push against the arm of the chair with your wrist while you hold the screw on your other side, just to give you some leverage, because it can be hard with one person to hold everything in place. Make sure when you flip it over that it's in a secure position, so it doesn't actually get in the way of things when you're trying to move it around. It doesn't fall around on you and stuff. But it's very simple and very easy. And that's how you change the arms on your chair